Submanos Channel.
Hi mga Char! Welcome back to my channel. And if you're a newbie here, welcome to my channel, Char! Hi guys! So, I received a box from America and I'm not gonna tell you if it is a boy or a girl. So, I think this is one of my fans. I don't know, I'm not sure yet, but you say it's from America. So this is the box that I got from America. I don't know what is it.
So,
I think it's from one of my fans. So whoever you are, thank you so much. And now let's open it. How do you open this? I'm so excited to open this, but I don't know how to open it. Somebody help me. Can you help me, please? Is this how to open? It's too hard, mga dyan. Hold up, guys. This is so hard to open. And I'm pangag-monitor. Don't laugh at me, ha? Because I'm only 6 years old. Char! Anyway, let's get back to open this box. So this is from Amazon. I wonder what it could be. I'm imagining. What would it be? I'm not sure. Let's figure out when we open this box. Oh, it's a long time. That box is so hard to open. It takes a long time. Open it. It's like a package. Because package took so long to open. Okay. So mga Char, we got like this white thingy. Looks like a box and there's iPad in it. But it's not an iPad because I don't think. Okay, so this is mobile phone video Kids 1. Oh, so it's a video. I'm not sure what is it. So there's like pictures in it. There's like this, and in the front I'm not sure if it is the front or this one might be the back, I think. And we got a plastic.
what?
So let's open this. But how do you open this? Can you help me? Please. What is it? I did not expect that there was like white things. Okay, so let's open this. Let's get this out. So we have a black case and there's a zipper. Whoa! What are these? So I think this is. What is this? We have. Are you going to assemble it? Oh, we have some instructions. Okay. Wait. so I finally know what is it. It's like it's to hold the camera. So this is the photo how it looks like. We are going to assemble it. Okay. I think I found the fluffy thing. Oh, it's so fluffy. I like this one because it's fluffy. And it will take, and some of them will take off. Okay, we got some more. And I think this is the camera. What is this? Not sure. Okay. I think this is a microphone. I'm not sure. Wait for a while, guys. We'll assemble it.
A few moments later.
So guys, we're done assembling the video kits. And this is the microphone. This is the light.
Turn it on. You turn it on here.
Let's turn it on. Where? Could you show me how, please? Okay. The light for adventure. Joke. We could use this for brown out. For brown out.
What?
And over here we can put our phone here, phone or camera, because I can see through this like a picture in like instruction. It's pretty bright. I want to turn it off now. It's so bright. You can adjust the lighting high, medium, and low. That's too bright. Can you turn it off, please? It hurts my eyes. This is very good, and it's really special. And thank you so much to my fan. Actually, it looks so cool. I thought this was a camera also. You know why I call it cool? Because it's not like the same thing that today that we're using. And this one is very handy. I could probably like go to adventure with like vlogging and hi like that without using a stand. So this is really special. I like this, and I like the microphone because oh my gosh, it's too fluffy enough. It looks like a fluffy kitty. So cool. Cannot stop touching it. Thank you so much to my fan. More package, please. Look at man. The light is so cool. It looks like a game, but it looks like the game that my mom gave me before when she went to Manila. And imagine that there is water here and like the ring and the rings, and we'll like and imagine there's buttons, and we'll put it over here, stack it, but it's different. I like it so much. Thank you. So bye for now, and don't forget subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Bye mga choy. Take care all. God bless. Bye. Mwah.